So what I'm going to do is replace this gear knob here for the Peugeot 508 SW. And the way it works is, first you have to remove this trim here, which is just pulls out and clips off. You pull this back, and underneath here there's this tie wrap, and basically the tie wrap is holding the material around here, and you clip that off. Now on this unit you don't twist it to the right and pull, you just pull it up as hard as you can and it pops off, and you've got to be careful that doesn't hit you in the face. But basically this here is an adapter, so when you lift the actual leather off you'll know that it's on an adapter. If it's not on an adapter, then you might need to twist it. But the inside of this is like a diamond shape, and I've ordered one here which is a diamond. Now this is 18mm, so for the Peugeot 508 SW it's 18mm diameter, and any fitting that's around that size diameter will fit here. So the way we're going to put it on first, you can see there's a nick here in this cloth, so what we're going to do is fold that in. So we're first going to start by putting this into here. You have to obviously put that on upside down, so you want to push this on first like this and get this over here. And make sure this is going on the right way. Sits on like that. And obviously just secure that afterwards with a tie wrap. So just lift this up, that's like that, and then secure that afterwards with the tie wrap. Make sure that's pushed down, and that's it, that's clipped on and that's secure.